Cash App curious? How to set up your account in minutes. Upbeat music fades in. Hey everyone! Ever been out with friends and realize you forgot your wallet? Stuck scrambling to pay your share or owe someone a quick $20? Well, there's a handy little app called Cash App that can solve those money woes in a flash. But maybe you've seen it around and thought, how exactly does that work, or is it safe? Cut to screen with Cash App logo. No worries, that's what this video is all about. We'll walk you through, step by step, how to set up your very own Cash App account and get you ready to send, receive, and even invest your money, all from your phone. Now, Cash App isn't a bank, but it functions a lot like a digital wallet. Think of it as the cool, tech-savvy cousin of your traditional bank account. It's perfect for everyday transactions, splitting bills with roommates, paying back a friend for concert tickets, or even getting paid for those side hustles you've been rocking. Show phone screen with Cash App download and progress. So, how do you get started? First things first, you'll need to download the Cash App. It's free and available for both iPhone and Android users. Just head over to your phone's app store, search for Cash App, and hit download. Easy peasy. Cut to screen with Cash App open, showing sign-up options. Once the app is downloaded, you'll be greeted with a sign-up screen. Here, you have two options, enter your phone number or email address. If you choose your phone number, that becomes your unique identifier on Cash App. Think of it like your personalized username. Using your email gives you more flexibility when sending or receiving money, but the choice is yours. Show phone screen with verification code entry. Cash App will then send you a verification code to confirm it's actually you signing up. This code will either be sent via text message or email, depending on your chosen login method. Enter the code on the screen, and voila! You're halfway there. Now, Cash App does recommend linking a bank account to your profile. This allows you to easily add money to your Cash App balance or withdraw funds when needed. But hey, no pressure. You can skip this step for now and still use Cash App to receive money from others. Show phone screen with name and cash tag entry. Next up, you'll enter your full legal name, exactly as it appears on your government ID. This is important for security purposes, so make sure it matches everything up. Then comes the fun part, creating your cash tag. Imagine a catchy username, but specifically for Cash App. This is how people will find you and send you money. Keep it short, memorable, and something that reflects your personality. Show phone screen with completed profile and main Cash App interface. Congratulations! You've officially set up your Cash App account. You'll land on the main Cash App screen, which is clean and user-friendly. On the bottom, you'll see two key buttons, for sending money and a lightning bolt for requesting money. Super simple, *operator*. Show finance screen with breakdown of sending money. *operator*. Let's say you want to split the pizza bill with our friends. Just tap the button, enter the amount, and type in your friend's phone number or cash tag. Cash App will handle the rest, securely transferring the money to their account, all within seconds. Show phone screen with breakdown of requesting money. Need to get paid back for that concert ticket? No problem. Tap the lightning bolt button, enter the amount, and add a quick note reminding your friend what it's for. They'll receive a notification with your request, and once they approve it, the money will be deposited into your Cash App balance. And that's the basic flow of Cash App. See, it's not magic, but it sure feels convenient, right? Plus, Cash App offers some cool bonus features. You can invest a portion of your balance in stocks, get instant deposits with a small fee, and even use it to pay for things online with participating merchants. Show Cash App security screen. Of course, security is always a concern. Cash App uses multiple layers of protection to keep your information and money safe. They offer features like two-factor authentication and PIN codes, so you can rest assured your account is secure.